What does a billionaire really eat in a single day? When people think about billionaire lifestyles, they imagine private jets, luxury hotels, designer cars, and unforgettable dining experiences. But what actually ends up on the plate? Is it just expensive food? Or is it something truly extraordinary? Today, we're spending 24 hours enjoying a full day of luxury dining. Every meal becomes more premium than the last, featuring world-famous ingredients, beautiful presentation, and unforgettable flavors. Let's see what eating like a billionaire is really like. The day begins with an elegant breakfast served on a marble table. Fresh buttery croissants arrive straight from the oven, with perfectly crisp golden layers. Alongside them is artisan sourdough toast, topped with creamy avocado and premium smoked salmon. Fresh berries, creamy Greek yogurt with honey, and freshly squeezed orange juice complete the meal. To finish breakfast, a cup of freshly brewed premium coffee fills the room with an incredible aroma. Every bite feels light, fresh, and perfectly balanced. This isn't about eating huge amounts of food, it's about enjoying exceptional quality. For lunch, the experience becomes even more luxurious. A beautifully presented sushi platter arrives featuring premium salmon, tuna, yellowtail, and delicate sashimi. Every piece is handcrafted with incredible attention to detail. Fresh seafood practically melts in your mouth while perfectly seasoned. Race creates the ideal balance. The presentation looks more like artwork than lunch. Next comes fresh oysters served with lemon and a delicate sauce. Each bite is clean, refreshing, and full of ocean flavor. To complete the meal, sparkling mineral water and fresh citrus accompany the seafood. Every detail feels carefully planned. Dinner is where luxury reaches another level. The main course is premium Wagyu steak cooked to perfection. The steak is sliced open, revealing beautiful marbling and a juicy center. The rich buttery flavor is unlike ordinary beef. Roasted asparagus, creamy mashed potatoes, grilled mushrooms, and seasonal vegetables surround the steak. Everything is plated with precision. Every bite feels rich, tender, and unforgettable. It's easy to understand why Wagyu is considered one of the world's most luxurious meats. No luxury dining experience is complete without dessert. An elegant chocolate lava cake arrives at the table. The moment it's cut open, warm chocolate slowly flows from the center. Fresh strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream complete the presentation. Every bite combines warm chocolate with cold ice cream for the perfect contrast. Simple ingredients become extraordinary through perfect preparation. As the day comes to an end, a rich espresso is served alongside delicate handmade chocolates. The smooth coffee and premium chocolate provide the perfect ending to an unforgettable day of luxury dining. Sometimes the smallest details leave the biggest impression. So, after spending an entire day eating like a billionaire, one thing became very clear. Luxury isn't just about expensive ingredients, it's about quality, creativity, and an unforgettable dining experience. From the elegant breakfast to the premium sushi, the perfectly marbled Wagyu steak, and the rich chocolate dessert, every meal felt like a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Now it's your turn. Which meal would you choose if you had the chance to eat? Like a billionaire for one day? Was it the luxury breakfast, the incredible sushi, the Wagyu steak, or the chocolate lava cake? Leave your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this luxury food adventure, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next food journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.